What in the... Nikki, you did it totally. You friggin'...
What are you talking about?
Look at that.
Oh my God.
You slipped the canoe. What is wrong with you, Nick?
I don't know. At least your head is underwater.
Dude, I had to get that.
What happened? You might go right in that shower.
Get a picture by the canoe. You might as well do it again. You might as well do it again. Reenact it. Reenact it. Yeah, Nikki went totally under. Look at her.
Thank you.
I know, it's disgusting. Nikki, that water went all in your mouth?
She went under. Seriously. She is crazy.
Okay, this makes me want to swim even more. When are we going to swim? Dad, when are we going to swim? Dad, seriously, it makes me want to swim
no, dude.
more and more.
Oh no, we're gonna look at all the water in there, huh? How? Pick it up? Nikki totally flopped it over.